This video will show you how to record a lost item reported. Hotelogix lets you easily report a lost item from the Lost and Found module. Let us see how. In the Guest Service module, click the Lost and Found tab. Lost and Found panel opens. By default, all items lost, you found, you returned, you disposed of in the current month are displayed here. Click Add Lost and Found. To report a lost item, select Lost from the Report Status drop-down. Select date and time when the item was lost. By default, it shows the current date and time. Select Location. This could be a room or a public area like pool. The item could be reported by staff or guest. Select the relevant option. If Guest option is selected, type in the guest name. Select the guest name from the drop-down. System automatically pulls up the guest names, matching the name typed here. Select the type of item lost. This may be a high value, non-valuable, liquor, perishable, and others. Enter details of the item along with the description. Click OK. A ticket for the lost item will be generated in the system. This brings us to the end of the video on how to add a lost item.